Mm. All right, here we go. Welcome to another episode of Trading with Ease in the Oracle. It is Friday, y'all, the last day of the week, July 24th, 2026, and we are trading live. Man, end of the week, y'all. You know, interesting week we had, but Fridays is always good because you get off the chart, you get your mind off everything. You get your mind off the charts and you get everything ready for next week. But yeah, so let's talk a little bit about the market. As you can see, the market is on a downward trend. We got the 15-minute orb set up. We had a gap in the Asia session as we was getting earnings reports. So we had some earning reports, and at the end of yesterday's session, so we had a gap. This is the 15-minute chart. And if you look at it, we've just basically been consolidating for most of Asia session. Then by the time we got into London session, we started doing a little trend down. And then by the time we got into London session, we continued to do consolidation. Consolidation moved up a little bit, and now we're on a downward trend. So we about 8 minutes before the top of the hour, we then broke the orb. Okay, so we broke the orb, so we going on a downward trend. And since we're on the downward trend, we broke the daily and the weekly. So look like this market is on a downward trend. But if you look at the weekly chart, y'all. We've went from up here all the way down there. We broke previous weeklies lows. And if you look at the overall chart, we are in a downward trend since we broke this resistance right here. So if we continue to go down, look like next week, we're probably going to continue this trend because we was on an upward trend for weeks. We consolidated for weeks. We finally broke the trend going in a downward spiral. Now we then broke last week's weekly. So now we're on a downward trend. Look like we might pop this weekly, which is that May 26th, May 4th. We got a May 4th candle right here that we could probably hit, or we have a May 27 candle that we could probably hit. So we definitely on a downward trend right now. But the 9 o'clock candle may be a retracement. It may be a retracement of the 8 o'clock candle. We got to wait and see. The daily right now is on a downward trend. The 5-minute is on a downward trend. The 1 hour.
On the downward trend.
Everything is on the downward trend. Everything on the downward trend. Everything on the downward trend. But if we see
8 o'clock candle move, boy.
Yeah. The only reason why I knew we was gonna probably break to the downside is because we had all these candles, these hourly candles was resistant, didn't want to pop over here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We had 10 1-hour candles did not want to pop this area right here. So what happened when you don't break? You down, come straight down. So what we looking for, even if we are on a downward trend, we got to get some sort of retracement. And usually, and it's kind of been like that for a few, that the 9 o'clock may come up. We put the Fibonacci on the 8 o'clock candle, see if it'll hit about the 50% fib, and then maybe continuation to the downside. So that is going to be what I'm thinking. because we already broke the fib. So we got about 2-3 more minutes before. And if you look at the Fibonacci on the hourly candle, we right there at the fib. So if we come back up, we're looking at the 50% Fibonacci as a maybe
that's
60.
what an orb is, right?
That's where the orb
50%.
at. So we right here by the orb.
Or we out of the orb.
Right, we out of the orb. But I'm saying is,
Yeah, 50% is
or the 61%
let's see.
retrace that whole 15-minute candle right there.
Mm.
And then we'll come back down on the next 15-minute candle. So I mean, the RSI right now is like 19, so it's really, really low. So we may get a 9 o'clock candle, some sort of retracement back up to maybe the 50 or the 61.8, and then maybe we come trickling back down. As you can see, it's starting to come back up a little bit. We got a nice little tail on the 2-minute.
The last 2 minutes.
Yeah, the last 2 minutes gave us a little doji of an indication of a reversal, as we seen it starting to come back up. If you look at let's look at the 220. The 200 is way up here. The 20 is curving down, which is fine, but we expanded over the 20. So I would think that we get some sort of retracement and hit the 20 as the 20 come down, and do a continuation to the downside. As you can see, we expanded over the 20. So I'm looking for a little retracement to come up just a little bit over the 20, then do a continuation. If we come up to the 20 and we reject the 20 to come down, that'd be a nice short going into the new hour. We nicely expanded, right? We got a nice little expand. Boom. Hit the 200, and we come down. Textbook play right here, believe it or not. So we're not too expanded over the 200, so we still got more room to expand over the 200. But right now we stuck in consolidation. We gonna probably be in consolidation until the new hour come.
Okay.
So that's where we at right now. I would think that the 9 o'clock, or this is a 9 o'clock. God damn, the 9 o'clock is here. And it got a little wick at the bottom.
Yeah.
And we going up to the 50%. That's what I called it. Shit. Just see.
Let's see. Are we getting a wick?
Are we getting the wick to come down?
More, yeah. Because right now we under the daily and the weekly, so
I would think that since we get a nice little candle that just
get a retracement up to about the 50% up there, huh?
Yeah, that candle, this green candle just engulfed the previous red candle. So if the next 2-minute candle keep going up, I might take the long to the 50.
What's the goal?
Might take this long to the 50. Let's wait for the next 2-minute candle. And as soon as she go maybe a little hair over to give me a little confirmation that she going up, then I'm gonna take the long.
Yeah, I need a candle to close above the 9.
She gotta come down and get a wick. Come on, come down and get a little wick. Shit. She not come down, get a wick. She didn't come down, get a wick. All right, she coming down now. Damn, that's crazy. Come down a little bit. Get your little wick. Nope, she didn't come down and get a wick.
Yeah, it's got some shit over here though. This 5-minute candle.
There we go. She come down to get a wick.
The daily and everything on there.
Okay, now we see the wick. All right, that's the wick. Now she go back up and give us a little green. I'll tap in.
But if she don't, though,
If she don't,
if she hit the zone and we flush
Right.
Let's see.
Let's see what she go do. That's why I wanted to wait, because it could have been a possibility that she was gonna come back down, but I wanted her to come get that wick. As soon as I see her hair green, I think I'm gonna tap in.
Going in.
Wait, because
that's a cross.
it's a cross right there. That's a cross.
So right now the 9 is holding.
The 9 is holding. That means that that first green candle wasn't a valid, because the one after that did not follow through. So this is invalid. That is invalid. So we are going straight back down. And if we look at the hourly, oh, she got a nice little wick to come down. So we got a wick at the bottom. Should be a V-shaped recovery right here to go back up.
That's what it's looking like.
Yeah.
And we ain't make a new lower either right
Now
there.
we just passed up the two
But
previous.
damn, to where?
I think to the
Should get up to the
50% fib.
50%, huh?
Yep. I think we should get to the 50% fib. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to the 50% fib, and the I'm gonna try to the 50% fib. If I'm wrong, then I'm only going 1 bar. There we go. Okay. I'm going here at the tip of the wick. And I'm going for a play to the upside. Let's see what it do.
If we don't get above the 9, it ain't looking good for longs.
Yeah, 28,445. let's see where we at. 2445, 4445, right here. It's right at the 20.
Percent is
So I'm in a loan, and what I'm looking for is the
47.
just to go right about the 50% Fibonacci. And if we hit the 50% Fibonacci, then that'll be a nice little play for the loan. So the trend is bearish, but what I'm playing is a retracement. We get up to the 50% Fibonacci, and then we'll either the 50% Fibonacci or the 61.8, and then we probably come back and flush down. And if that's the case, I want to be out the trade. But as you can tell, with everything that's going on here, you got a big flush coming down. And so you got to get some sort of retracement. And this is what's happening. This is the 15-minute candle here.
Are we gonna get above the 20?
Oh, we may not. We may not go above the daily. Yeah,
look like it's pushing. We're at the 20.
We're at the 20. So that's something I have to think about too. This is the daily. This may stop it. I'm gonna go break even just in case. Yeah, because we right at the daily. And if we come slamming down, I'll get out the trade.
Right.
And we right at the 20.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, see that? Boom, right there.
Alright, so I want to
So
give us a
we're at the
little more,
we're at the 20. We're at the 20. Oh, we broke the daily. We at the 20.
That's almost the 50% right there.
Yeah.
We're at the 61 right now.
See, this tap. She tapped on the 20. Tapped on the 20. Tapped on the 20. She go over the 20. Just peep over the 20. No, don't think so. Don't think so.
Took that off.
Yeah.
But it's probably getting some strength off the 9 to push above it.
All right.
Between the 9 and the 20.
9 and the 20, yep.
And
Between the 9 and the 20.
Yeah.
Between the 9 and the 20.
So that's 61% of the fib right there.
Yep.
Where we at right now. We don't get above it. We're going down.
Yep.
But I am looking for this candle to be green though.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Hard to break that 20. Okay. Here we go. Keep going.
Because the daily right
Yeah,
there,
it's right there.
too,
Yeah.
so
It's having a hard time to break the daily right there.
so I took that off.
Yep.
We trust the last one. And
Yeah.
go, you know. Dang. Yep, that candle didn't get above that.
Didn't get above it. All right, I'm take that off.
Okay,
I took
so
that
the
off.
9 and the 20 is narrow right here, babe.
Yeah, I took that off because, and we may break it, but if you look at the 20, I was looking at the 20.
Damn. So
Yeah.
the 20
The
holding.
20 held it, so I was looking at the 20. That would make me take that off because we hit the 20, and yep. So that's why I
That
took
was a
that play
nice
off. That
scalp
was a
to
nice
the
scalp to the 20.
Yep. Good
Nice scalp
profit.
to the 20. So that would make me take that off. So
Let's see. Will
if you
she
look
get
at
over it though? Is she coming down?
if you look at the top step indicators, y'all, I got issues with top step indicators. As you can tell, the 200 on top step is way up here compared to, I'm sorry, the 20. The 20 of the top step is way up here compared to the 20 right here on Tradeovate. And if you could tell, it ride the 20. So the 20 on Tradeovate is way more accurate than top step. So I
Look at
really,
how we set up here.
yep. That's why I took that off right there.
That's the orb. We're going back into the orb.
Even though we right here at the daily, still I just don't like the way the indicators on top step is off. You see, it has the 200 way up here, okay, which is about 28,605, 28,605, and we should be around 28,616. So it looked like we might be going to the 200, but I still took that off because it hesitated.
Yeah, we're back at the orb.
Yep. Interesting.
Right.
Somebody just text me said that they watch. Janine said she's watching, but does she say the comments is closed for question? No, I don't think so. Let me see. Yeah, I'm able to comment. Interesting. You see
Alright,
my,
so
you
look
see
at
my
my
comment, huh?
your comment.
Yeah, I see the comment. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So look at here, babe. What we doing? Okay, we let's see, share.
She might be coming back
Yeah,
down.
we at the weekly. That's what I'm saying. We're not going over that.
Yep. So
And that's a lot. That's the orb,
Yeah.
50% of the fib, and the weekly.
Yep.
Nah, she coming down.
She coming down.
I would like to see the 200 start moving down though.
Yeah.
What that light blue line is you have?
Right here. This is a 20.
That's your 20. Okay. Mine is green. Okay, what we doing? We waiting till we come out at 100% of the fib
Oh.
to take a short, or
Sure, we could take a shot right now
or
since
off
we came off the 20. I could take the fib off.
yeah, this probably was we probably should have entered
Into
right
a
after
penny
that.
after that.
Yeah.
So it may come up a little bit. I took it.
The short.
Yep, I took the short. I took the short. There we go. 15-minute candle coming back down. So I'm in the short right now on my Apex account.
Okay.
So I'm in the short right here.
Stop.
All right, I'm gonna put my stop up here, buy stop, and I'm gonna ride this puppy all the way to about right here. Let's see, we probably break this.
If she coming down, we have to. What's the target?
Target is
What do I have marked out at 213? What you have there? 213 area.
213 area. I don't see shit.
We got something
We
going on
got
over
nothing,
there?
nothing. The only thing I can see is way down here at maybe 28,200 maybe.
Damn, are we not coming out of this field?
28,200 maybe.
Oh, I got this building up, babe. We're not making new lows.
Okay, so
Okay.
go back to right here. So I entered the trade up here, trying to take this puppy down to about right here. Okay, here we go, here we go. Nice little scalp down. I am going to break even. Okay, I'm going to break even on this one. Ooh. Push that down a little bit. She's pushing. She's pushing. Okay, so I'm going a little bit in profits.
Yeah, I'm right at 215. So
Right there. We see we hit that right there. Might take this off. Took that off, y'all. I took that off for a nice profit.
Yeah, we equal down here.
I took that off for a nice profit. All right, that's good. Good right there. Bam, bam. I entered at 28,379. I exit right at about 28,329.
Yeah, look at that,
For a
baby.
nice
We're not
scalp.
coming out the 100%. We're not coming out the field.
Yep. So nice scalp on that one.
How are we?
For a nice profit. I took that off, so good deal. All right. Took 2 trades on my Apex. I took an opening trade this morning, and then I just took this trade. So, so far 3 trades today. I got 1 red, 2 greens. This is
Yeah, look, so we double bottom down here.
double bottom. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. So we probably consolidation. So we double bottom. Oh man. So it's Friday. So we did bam, double bottom down here. Yep, took that off.
We on the up.
On the up, on the up.
Okay, so now look. So the 9 and the 20 is meeting again. See, that didn't break out at 100%.
Yeah.
Look at that.
She going up. Let's see. Switch accounts. Boom. Let's go here.
So right now we need to break the 400
Yep.
area.
Yeah, the only thing that I'm noticing, let me see, go back to the thing here live. Only thing I'm noticing is that in this market, sometimes you gotta take your scalps, man. Take what you see. If you gonna get it to a long or short or whatever, you see about
20
points,
take it.
you gotta take it. You see 20 points, take it. You see 15, 20 points, take it. Because as you could tell, and this is it's going back up, and this is what's happening. You have
a danger zone here.
Yeah. We're not getting no kind of flush. We just getting up, down, up, down. Look at that. See that? That's a danger zone. I mean, if you took the short right there for about 20 points, you good. If you took the long up 20 points, you good. So it's in this zone area having.
Maybe we're going to the 200, babe.
Maybe going to the 200. So let's look at the 200 again. So we close the gap. We expand it, and now we going. But look there, the 200. It's look like it's coming down a little bit. So
it does. It does.
Yep. So we're looking at possible because we hit the 200 right here and came down. Once you expand below the 20, we gonna come back and hit the 20. We expanded below the 20, we come back and hit the 20. Look like again, even up with that, we gonna go below the. Look like we coming back below the 20, and maybe.
Are we trying to get strength off the 9 and the 20? Let's see though, because that's a big zone though. It's just a lot it's got to break through to go up.
Yeah. And if you look at this daily right here is all is resistance. They don't want to break over this daily low right here. So that daily low, we got the weekly low here, we got the daily low here, and look at what the stock is doing. Look at what the market is doing. It's
retrace back into the 300s.
Yep.
Look at that. Price is crazy.
Price is crazy. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Price action is insane.
Yep, we got up, down, up, down, up, down.
Okay, so yeah, look, maybe it did need to get strength off the 9 and the 20 MA.
Yep. Good deal on that play.
Try and push price back up. Price don't want to break above that though.
Good deal. Wow.
What's wrong?
I'm looking at my profits
think,
on
yeah.
it. Whew.
Good day today. Huh?
Good day today. Good day today. Woo, man. Good day today.
Yeah.
Shit.
Okay, so off of that.
Ooh, got to learn to take that off. Shucks. If you're in the chat room, put a comment down there to let me know you're here, and if you are here, let us know down in the comments. We had one person say they couldn't comment, so I just want to make sure that you're able to comment. If you're not able to comment, send me an email and let me know that you're unable to comment. Hit me in one of the chat rooms or something and let me know that you're unable to comment, because somebody just hit me up and said they weren't able to comment. So That's why I put that comment in the comments to see if it works. So it looked like it works, but you know. Just a thumbs up or anything, whatever. Just let me know. Okay, somebody just said they can't comment.
That sucks.
That is very, very interesting.
My comment showed up.
Yeah, okay. Your comment showed up. Yep. Okay. I don't know what's going on, why you can't comment. Maybe you need to log into your YouTube. That may be the case if you have a YouTube account. You just have to log into your YouTube account in order to put comments in. Maybe that's a new rule that YouTube does have. That even if you are following and watching somebody, you can't comment unless you have a YouTube account.
So this is a box, basically, on a 5-minute. So somebody else commented.
Okay.
You can see.
All right. Yeah, I can see the comment. Okay, cool. Thank you, Barry. I'm here driving towards a client. All right, cool. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, well, comments working. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right, guys. So as you can see, we are in a deep consolidation right now for the past 30, 40 minutes. Let's see, we are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we 35 minutes worth of consolidation. It's no way that nobody should be taking a trade at this point. And the reason why is because you don't know it's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, and you're going to get wiped to shreds if you get into this right here.
First section is nasty right now.
Yep. And even if you look at the 20, okay, the 20 is nasty. It's going above the 20. And it goes below the 20, above the 20, below the 20. Yeah. Even though the 20 is trending down, we still got horrible price action right here. So it's no way. Then we got a double bottom. Boom, boom. So this double bottom will trigger most traders to take a loan. I mean, this double bottom right here will trigger most traders to take a loan. So I don't know. Right now, it could be a loan going back up to the 200. If it's a loan going to the 200, then that'll be your target. And then if it hit the 200, it's going to come back down. But
yeah, we really need to break above the 444 area.
Yeah, 444, yep.
Yeah. If price get above that, then we should be good on the upside.
We need to get a long candle. We need to get us a good, powerful elephant candle and maybe a follow through. But yeah, right now, and even if you look at the hourly candle, it's a mess. Look at that long wick.
Look, the 30-minute came in.
30-minute came in. So they look at that long wick. So yeah, we may be, that double bottom probably faked a lot of people out to take the loan. If you're in a loan, I would tell you, man, won't get out that loan.
Yeah, wait, yeah. If it don't break above like the 450 area, I wouldn't take a loan because we under the weekly low.
Okay, Barry said, I did notice I only have access to the live chat. However, I don't see the normal comment section outside the live chat. All right, I'm gonna take a look at that after the stream to try to see why nobody can comment after the stream. That's interesting. But looking at the 1 hour chart, we got
I like this tail.
That tail for a short. And if you look at the smaller time frames kind of faking you out because you're thinking, okay, cool, you got a double bottom, bam, you go take the long, and all of a sudden now you got a nice little tail right there coming back down. In order to take this trade, you have to break this line of resistance to the downside, or you have to break this daily high. If you break this daily high, then we going up. Right now, we in deep consolidation. and it's kind of faking you out either way. I've learned my lesson long time ago not to get in trades like this, because you see one thing and all of a sudden you get in the trade and that next 5-minute candle goes straight back up. Like if you look at it in this aspect, we horseshoeing. We going up, down, horseshoe, bam, up, down, up, down. Now for scalpers, this is a good scalp. You hit the low, catch the high, catch the high, catch the low, catch the low, catch the high.
You can make money in it.
Yeah, you can make money.
You can make money in it.
Matter of fact, we just did that trade to go up, right?
Yeah,
We did that trade
nice
going
scalp,
up,
yeah.
and we got out. And yeah, so you can make them trades if you willing to say, okay, this one right here is gonna hit this line. You got to actually put a line right there, and then the next candle goes straight up, and you just take the long back up to the high, and then take the short. I don't see, because what's gonna happen is you're gonna get caught. You're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna take the next candle that hit this line right here. I'm gonna take the long, and all of a sudden it breaks. Then that's a losing trade. So yeah, you just got to be careful in these type of trades because you don't know when it's gonna break. But yeah, I mean, yeah, you could take the long scalp, short scalp, long scalp, short scalp, but you don't know once it hit this line again whether or not it's gonna do a continuation. So that's always the unknown when trading. I would just recommend to stay out of it until we get a break, and then once we get a break, then go to the play. If you look at the 4 hour,
Equal lows
holy
almost.
moly, see that 4 hour look horrible. We got a long tail. But the 4 hour look like a short, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to you. If you look at the 4 hours, 4 hour look like a short. The 4 hour definitely look like a short. But if you look at the 4 hour chart here, you did have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4 hour candles that was in the range. Consolidation.
Back down. Look at that.
Yeah. We had consolidation. Then we broke the box. Okay. And then now we're on the downward trend. This look like a short. It took 35 minutes to get to this point.
But if we don't break out of the 100% range, we don't break this right here.
Yeah, you got to break that.
We're not going
See,
low.
now,
Yeah, it's
here we
just
go.
ranging.
Now here we go. You see that?
Back
Now it's
and
going
forth.
back up. See, that's what I'm saying. See, we got a tail. Now, if you was a scalper, you'll take that long right here,
Yep.
and you take it along back up to the top. See? Or you might get caught this time. You know what I'm saying? Like, you might get caught this time. So that's the scalping world right here. So if you trust that this is gonna go back up, you took that long right there, and you going all the way to the top. Yeah, but it's scary because this is the third bottom down here.
Damn.
It's scary. It's the third bottom. Look at that. Ain't that something? That she coming down.
Get a wick.
Get a wick, and she gonna go up. So we below the 200 to 20. Yeah. This right here make you guys sit on your hands. See now if you would have took that long, now your palms are sweaty. Because
Well, if you would have took the long short, a few points maybe
Right.
to the 20.
to the
To
20.
the 20, yeah, few points.
If
You
you
can
done
make a
took
little
that-
something in it.
Yep. If you out the trade, if you took that long right here, you out the
No,
not
probably
really.
not.
Not really.
'Cause we ain't
There we
break
go.
instruction.
There it is. So it's going back up. So yeah, but man, that's so scary. Yeah. Oh, nah, you out that trade.
Nah, not if your stop was at the bottom of the wick.
Oh, right.
Which
Yeah,
that's
get
where it
the
should have
bottom.
been.
Yes, that's where it should have been.
Considering
Right.
it's the third time down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, your stop loss should be under the previous candle wick.
Yeah. So if you would have took the long, your stop should have been right here. Your take profit probably should have been right here. So you take profit right here, your stop loss will be right here. But you're about to get stopped out. And stopped out. So you would have got stopped out. Oh, we stopped. And it stopped.
Look at the 1 hour.
The 1 hour.
The 1 hour then flip.
The 1 hour then flip. Ooh.
Yeah.
But look. But yeah. Yep. So the 1 hour. This is a short right here. Yeah. The 1 hour
That's what
flip.
it's looking at. But look, if we don't break out this, we're stopping it. The range. 100% of the range is not breaking out of it.
So
price don't drop. Yeah.
So the question came through was, so you want to bid on the 20 or the 200? Well, so right now you don't want to do no bidding because we don't have no sense of direction, but you do want to follow the 20. And that's usually your guide. The 20 is going to be your guide. Your 20, this is the 9 EMA. So I have a 9 EMA and I have a 20. I'm kind of pick that big up a little bit. So what I'm looking for, using the 20 as a guide, and I'm using the 9 EMA as a guide, all right, for the trade. Now we just broke. We broke. Now we're going down.
Stay on the downward trend.
Yeah, we're on the downward trend. Yeah. So this would have been a good short. We finally broke these lows. So if you was a scalper and you took the low, the high, the low, you got 3. I mean, you got 2 out of 3. And then you got stopped out right here.
Yeah, so you were able to make money in it.
Yeah, you're able to make money. So the 200 is up here. We expanded over the 200. So we're not too far from the 200, so we can go a little more expanded down.
Okay, we are approaching the 200s. We back in the 200s.
Yeah.
Our price trying to push down.
Yeah, price trying to push down. If you look at the the 1 hour, we finally starting to make a move.
I think we might need like a retracement up to about the 20% because the RSI is low.
RSI is low. RSI is at 28. Yeah, the RSI is low, so we got to get some sort of retracement. I would say that since we broke, I think this candle could go up, retrace this up here, should go up just a little bit, retrace and maybe come back down.
Retrace the new, yeah.
Retrace up there, then come back down.
Okay,
If not, then
yep, and look right here.
Yep.
We don't break in that. Yeah. Okay. So we're
come back
almost
up and
to
retrace
it.
this area right here. See how that green candle coming back up? Trying to retrace this area. Then once it retrace that area, then maybe not. They say, you know what? Fuck that. We going down.
It did.
But
Retrace it.
it did right there. It sure did. It did retrace it.
Yeah.
Yep.
How to push down. Damn. Still ain't out of that area, man.
Okay, you finally hit it. Okay, you can comment on it. All right, cool. Well, appreciate you coming through. Thank you very much.
Okay, we getting back into down. Yeah. Look like we're trying to get back into the 300 area.
We finally broke. So if you was into a short, congratulations. You rocking and rolling right now. I took the long earlier, and I took the long up here to the daily, and I got out. And I'm glad I did because I took this long right here off of the 15-minute retracement. So I took the long off the 15-minute retracement, then we come all the way down, and then now we back going down here. I mean, if you look at overall market structure, yeah, you would see we on a downward trend, yeah.
This is crazy. We're still not flushing this area though.
Yeah. And if you look at the 4 hour look good for a short. Where we going? I think we're probably going all the way down to the 2800s. Maybe the 2800s, maybe the 28100s, or maybe the 28200s, which we closer to 28200. So that's an even number.
And we're about to get another 15-minute candle.
Yeah, another 15-minute candle about to come in and go from there. If you made profits today, if you had a good day, then it's Friday. Get ready for your weekend and get ready to get off the charts. Maybe do some journaling. Think about how you did throughout the week. That's what we usually do. We always, once we finish off a Friday, we always have a discussion about how we traded throughout the week, the good, the bad, the ugly, and we enjoy our weekend and get prepared for Monday. We may do some back testing, possibly, since probably not, because we do this every day. So we can kind of see any areas of mistakes that we've made while we looking at the charts all day. Well, for the next, for a couple of hours that we here. Yeah, you try to predict the market, but the market when we live, you really don't know until the market does what it do. Till you know.
That's it for me.
That's it for you.
Yeah.
I'm green on. I'm green on 3 accounts. I'm green on my Apex accounts. I'm green on my Top Step. Finally green on my Top Step accounts. Look like for the rest of the day we're gonna probably go down.
We've been ranging the last hour, so I don't know.
It's just tough. It's tough to take this short. It's tough to take this short.
You done too?
Yeah, I'm done. All right. So we done for the day. We done for the week, y'all. So we not gonna take up too much of your time. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. We about to get on out of here, get our day started. We not trading no more. We did our trades for the day. We get 10 minutes before the top of the hour, so we don't be on the charts after 9 Central Time. So I appreciate everybody that's coming through. Make sure you share the channel. Make sure you let everybody know that we here, and we here Monday through Friday. And we trade live and we have discussions and try to have fun. But yep, we gonna see y'all Monday. Any last words?
No, thank you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Us, yeah.
Thank y'all guys very much. Somebody asked a question, do you guys use the PCT test?
PCT test.
So that's one of Oliver's tests
Wait,
to
the live still going?
yeah.
Oh, I thought you had cut it off.
That's
Okay.
one of the things that Oliver talk about, trend, position, and color. So yeah,
What's the indicator?
no, that's one of the checklists that
Oh, okay.
Oliver have. So
Okay.
the PCT test is, yes, we had position, right? Off the off of the 20.
I didn't understand what he was saying. Okay.
The color was red, so we are in the negative zone. So we did have position. We do have color, and we do have trend. So it's 3 checks for the PCT test. So the PCT test is 3 checks right now. So you do have position, you do have color, and you do have trend. So yes, but but you should have caught it up in this area. You don't have it right now, but if you was to use that checklist, you want to use the checklist right in this area. You got trend, or maybe right in this area, right off the 20, but not down here because you go retrace back to the 20, and not down here because you retrace back to the 20. So right here, you're noticing the market is going back to the 20. So what it does is it come off the 20, go to hit the 20, off the 20, hit the 20, off the 20, hit the 20. So you're oh, so yeah, absolutely. So yeah, I study Oliver videos too. So yeah, all right, that's it for us. We gonna get on out of here. I appreciate everybody that's coming through. Hopefully that answered a lot of questions that you had, and we gonna see y'all Monday.